Right, welcome back to Advancing Car and this 2018 C63S AMG. So it's the big boy. It's got the big old V8 bi-turbo in it, so it's a quick bit of kit. Big old wide arches, real mean looking muscular thing. Cool car, good colour, and fully protected in PPF. I was just looking at it actually, I think every single bit of this has PPF everywhere, so it's well looked after. And to go along with looking after this car, this customer has come in for a front and rear U3000 Thinkware camera with the added extra of the brand new iVolt mini external battery. So obviously, being the U3000, it's one of the top spec cameras that has all the features and functions, you know, built-in radar, all your maximum kind of protection for parking recording and things, and yeah, all of those features that we've obviously spoken about many times in all the other videos. The other thing that he's gone for, as I said, is the new style of the iVolt mini battery, which is a slightly slimmer battery, has a similar sort of footprint to it, but it's slightly skinnier, so a little bit easier to get tucked away in some places. And what that enables is it's a much higher rate of charging, so it's all the way up at 8.5 amps, so really charges nice and quickly, and after a 50-minute charge it can run one dash camera, so like a single channel dash camera, so that'll be your front, up to 27 hours, and then it can do a front and rear system for up to 16 hours. So obviously that's dependent on dash cam usage, obviously, but yeah, it means it protects your car for far longer than if it's just hardwired into the main kind of vehicle battery setup. So obviously, where if you weren't using external battery, you would set the camera up for like a battery protection mode, which would mean that you would decide what voltage you want the camera to turn off at when the battery drops to a certain level. As soon as you tell the system that it's using that external camera, that's external battery, sorry, it then just deals with what that's doing. So because it can drop a lot lower and run for a lot longer, then you get a much better parking recording time, basically. And then the other feature you also get is you get a little Bluetooth app that runs with that iVolt battery as well. So it means you can keep an eye on the working temperatures of it, and also its charging rates and things like that. So you can just keep an eye on the health of your battery, really. And obviously, as with everything nowadays, everything needs an app. So yeah, that's about it really. Lovely car. Now it's got that added protection when he's on the road driving around with other people. You don't know what other people are doing, so it's always useful to have a dash camera, keep you protected. And obviously with that added protection of a longer parking mode from the battery, he knows that when he parks his car up, if he doesn't use it all the time, maybe he doesn't use it for the whole weekend, then it's going to be sitting there protecting his pride and joy, I reckon. So yeah, it's all tucked in, everything's fitted as it normally is with us, nice and neatly. Camera's tucked up as far close to the binnacle as possible and behind the rear view mirror as possible. Rear camera, small little camera tucked right up out the way, and then I found a nice spot for the battery to sit that was just on the furthest end of the side tunnel on the passenger side, right behind the carpet, all tucked in, little bit of foam and everything, no rattles. And if you didn't know, you wouldn't know it was in there, because you can look, there's no weird bulges or anything. So as always, fitted to the highest quality we can, and I'm sure he's gonna be very happy. So if you have a car like this, or anything really, you know, dash cams can go into anything, just want to protect yourself driving around, get in touch, let us know what you've got, let us know what you want, and we'll see what we can do to help you out. And in the meantime, make sure you like and subscribe as always, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.